Good afternoon, everybody. It's a good day today. A really good day. First of all, that's still in my driveway. It ain't going anywhere. Not for sale. I know some of you asked me. No, it's not for sale. But let me introduce you to the newest member of our family. Now, we got another. Yeah, I know I said after the last one, I probably wasn't gonna buy anymore. But here we are. We've got a 1975 Custom Deluxe C20. Now, somebody hit me up, said, hey, well, my buddy Nick, he hit me up. We went to school together back in the day. You know, Facebook friends now. But you know what? This truck came up for sale. And it runs. It runs. I mean, what more can you ask for? She runs. The body isn't too bad. Well, it is kind of bad in some spots, actually, I realized. But here's the deal. It's another two-wheel drive. But this one, folks, this one's a manual. This one has a manual transmission. So, obviously, we got a few things, you know, I mean, interior-wise, the seat's kind of junk. We found a little surprise underneath the floor here. It looks like it's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. So we're gonna have to do some work on that. It's got a custom clutch, but it's a manual. It's a manual. Now look at this. We're gonna extend this selfie stick, and we're gonna show you. Look at this. Watch. Oh, I can't push on the gas because it's pushing my selfie stick in. Oh. But stay tuned. We're gonna pull this thing off the truck.
still filming.
There she is. There she is, folks. What do you think? If anyone wants to buy this shell, it's for sale. Come get it. It's got a carpet kit for Uncle Jake. Looks trash, so probably gonna take that to the dump and dump it. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. But there she is. She purrs. She runs good. We had a few problems getting her home, so that's why it was on the trailer. We drove it at first, and then we ran into some problems, but here she is next to the Suburban. It's got some cab lights. It's got some other lights. I don't know what works. I don't know what doesn't, but apparently we're gonna find out. So stay tuned. We're gonna do a few things to this. We're probably gonna register this thing because, well, it runs. Runs good, actually. That sounded good. My wife's not too happy. Just kidding. She loves me. I love her. Okay, but what are we gonna do with this? Well, it's a manual transmission, so I'm probably gonna take the two trucks, the other two-wheel drive that I got. This one has a dash, the other one doesn't. So we're probably gonna take some parts out of this and swap. Oh, look, it's got a cowboy hat holder and gun racks. But anyway, so that's it. So stay tuned for some more videos because we've got a lot of work to do. Now we're still gonna go have some fun in the Jeep and the Suburban, but we got a lot of work to do to these. I don't even know what I'm gonna do to this just yet because it runs and it drives. So I may just drive it around and see what happens and have some fun with it for the next little bit. But I originally got it to flip. It was a good deal. It ran. I was gonna buy it. I was gonna sell it, but it's got a manual transmission. Yeah, those of you who know, you know. So I can envision some paddle tires possibly on the rear at one point. Like I said, we'll get this shell took off. We're gonna get some new rims and tires or just paint those rims. But this truck might get a set of paddles on the rear and we may go visit the sand dunes. I think that would be fun. Do you think that'd be fun? I think that'd be fun. Hey, babe, do you think that'd be fun? Yeah. Yes, see? Even my wife thinks that would be fun. Dude, I love her so much. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Smile. Every day, smile. Like, just be grateful for all the things you have, the wonderful lives that are out there for people like me, my wife. Those of you who are single, there's still women out there, I think, that are like that. So find them. My wife's a dandy. Woo! She's just giggling. All right, that's it. We're out of here. All right, we're not done yet. Hold on, folks. Stay tuned for the after party. All right, I got the emergency brake on. Let's see if it'll hold. Oh, dude, that thing fired right the hell up. Like legit, that thing fired up. Right up. Okay. Oh, those ones are working. Oh, a couple of those work. Oh yeah, look at that, headlights work. Oh, every single one of those cab lights work. shit, that works. I don't think those top ones work. Okay. Oh man, they're even on the tailgate here, dude. They are all over the place. That tail light works. Alright, there's a switch in here. There's a switch in here. I don't think that's got power. No, I don't think that's got power to it. What is that? Oh, that might be the fuel pump. Okay, I got you. I see you. Alright. Oh, dude, this has it. Those are the brights. You know you have an old truck if you got one of those. Yes.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way